Seed therapy according to the direction. The plants, like other living objects, have an energy system which supports their vital activity. In spite of the fact that the circulation of energy carried out simultaneously in many energy canals, there is a dominating direction of the energy flows which coincides with that of biological growth of plants. This property can be used for therapy with seeds and other parts of living plants in the system of correspondence. First of all, it is necessary to find in what direction the plant is growing, the one chosen as the instrument of the treatment. If we use seeds, we should know the place of attachment of the seed to the mother plant. Sometimes, for the convenience, the place of an attachment of seeds, grafts, twigs to a plant can be marked with the help of a drop of nail varnish. And then the treatment is given by fixing the seeds with an adhesive plaster in the system of correspondence you have chosen. You can also use a marker. Knowing the basic direction of the energy flow in this or that part of a plant, it is possible to change or accelerate or inhibit physiological processes. If the direction of the growth of a twig, leaf, or seed coincides with the natural direction of the flow of food, bile, or sputum, their movement is stimulated. If they go in opposite direction, such processes as passing water, stomach, and bowel movements are inhibited. For example, for the treatment of constipation, it is necessary to locate grains in the area corresponding to the colon in such a way that their energy flows coincides with the direction of the bowel movement. Thus, the intestine will empty faster, or the twigs of the plant can be placed on the area corresponding to the stomach and esophagus to slow down their natural peristalsis. It will result in lower appetite. For obesity problems, seeds are attached to the areas corresponding to the mouth and the cardiac part of the stomach. In this case, the energy flow to the seed should be in opposite direction to the movement of the food. And also a chain of seeds is applied along the area corresponding to the large intestine, as with constipation, promoting quick evacuation of the bowels. In prolapse of organs, seeds or parts of plants are located in a way as if supporting the prolapsing organ. In cases of impotency, a twig with a bud diverging from it at an angle can be used. The same properties of the seeds can be employed in squint cases. Some diseases of the lungs are followed by accumulation of the sputum in the bronchi. In these cases, we can use seeds as an expectorant. Seeds are located in the area corresponding to the lungs in the direction from projection of the diaphragm to the trachea in the standard system of the correspondence of the hands, from the line of life to the base of the thumb. And the flow of the energy should face the correspondence of the trachea. In some spasmodic processes, for example, renal colic, biliary colic, spasm of peripheral arteries, seeds are applied in such a way that the energy flows are directed from center to the periphery, as though dilating the spasmodic zone. For renal or the biliary colic, trefoil can be used, which will not only relieve spasm but also improve the flow. Cross sections of the twigs of the plants having dilating or resolving action can be used to relieve spasm. Since the stem of the plants grow from the core to the bark, naturally the flow of the energy goes from the center to the periphery. The cross sections of the roots, fruits, vegetables have the same property. The necessity to close a hole or exit point of the canal arises in cases of the refluxes, enuresis, that is bedwetting, or hernias. In these cases, seeds, needles of the fir tree, graft of berries, leaves of plants, the lobes of the flowers are attached in such a way that the flow of their energy be directed from periphery to the center.